Hello guys, today I'd like to share with you another strategy for trading binary options. This is my second day after I discovered this system. I'm actually using this chart. As you can see, it's a MT4 platform. uh, I've been working on these settings for some time now, and I only managed to make it work yesterday. It's actually a day before yesterday, but yesterday that was my first day using this system. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you exactly how I trade with this system. My chart will be set to 1 minute, meaning M1, and I'll be placing trades like, okay, if you check here, this is M1, meaning one candlestick represent 1 minute. So my expired time when I get the signal, it will be 5 minutes. So I'm trading 5 minutes binary options. And I also have this new platform. It's autobet.com. I just came across it yesterday, and when you sign up, they will give you a $50 demo account where you can trade from $50 US dollars. So okay, it might not look like it's much, but I think it's more practical than getting a 1,000, because a lot of people they put in like $100 for a start, or even like 250 to 300. But I would recommend that if you want to make profit with this, you should at least put 300, 500. With my original account, those who follow me, they actually know my like the other videos which I make. I've made some videos in the past. So right now we're actually waiting for the signals. That's why I'm just talking to you guys. Once I get the signal, and then we go in for the trade. Okay, so what happens is like, I also use okay, I was explaining that this $50 is actually better than, it's better, the demo account for $50 is better than getting a demo account for 1,000. The reason why I say that, if it's too little, you try by all means to make sure that you don't lose that money. You won't be careless, and you can also actually trade $1, $2, $5, which actually makes you or help you to trade. Because in most cases, you might, instead of putting the $50 you are used to, if you get used to make a lot of money, when you trade in real account, it might not be the situation, because you find out you put a lot of big trades and then you wipe out your account. Or the advantage with this one is you actually use $1, $2, $5. But this, for the sake of this video, I'll be shooting with the $5 minimum investment. And my money management strategy, okay, this is a possibility. Okay, let's see. Odd USD. Okay, this, if you see here on the chart here in the right corner, I wait for the trade to go in the red section here. So it means I was going to put the trade even once it touches this, of which this is already above, which is nice. So I'm going to put my trade here, $5. I'm going to place a put. Okay, so I think we can wait for the trade. We ended here. All right, but so far the price is going up. It's going up, but it will come back down, I know that. So the key thing for this strategy to work, when the price gets into the red zone, you put your price in the opposite direction. If you can check the previous trades, like check even here, when it reaches the red zone, it will definitely come back down. The same applies here. See this, the same applies here, and a lot of opportunities, the same applies here. So for now, the price is here, it's above our entry point, but that's not a problem. So let's see here, this is when we end our trade, and this is our main line, like the entry line. So the price that we are looking for here, it's let's see, it's 97504, which was our entry. Actually 503, that's our entry. So what happens here right now, it's 618, which is above our entry. It has to come back down. It keeps on going up. So the key thing about this strategy is not to panic. When you are trading binary options, you have to stick to your strategy, whether it goes in the opposite direction or it goes in your favor. So while we wait for the trade, I think I can take this time to discuss about my trading opportunities for yesterday, because I found out that these signals are very strong after trying for several times. So if you check on the balance, I have a balance of $45, because every time you log out and log in, they will give you $50 to trade with. Let's see. Let's just wait for the trade. 2 minutes, 24 seconds left. So yesterday I managed to make yesterday I managed to make $105 from a $50. It means I had 100% return, and I was trading $5 investment. So if you can check here, the price is coming back down. Now it's 553, and I want a 540. I want a 503. 503. Now it's 509. Now it's 495. 505. Still out of the money. If you go back to the chart, it means I ended somewhere here. Okay, on the chart I'm still out of the money. I'm actually sitting on 506, 507, around there, and I need 503 to be able to make profit. I still have 1 minute to go. Okay, so I was explaining about my yesterday's trades. I managed to make from $50, I managed to make $55 profit. So the key thing to this strategy, whenever the price goes out of money, the trade goes out of money, I'll have to put a bigger amount, like a $10 to cover back my losses, and also make a small profit on top. This trade has been out of money. Now it went back up, so this might be a losing trade, but nevertheless, you don't have to panic. Stick to the strategy. Started with a loss. I was supposed to end also this trade. As you can see, it touched here. It's just that I didn't see it. I was busy talking there. This is another opportunity. I was supposed to end now. It was down here, but I can still go for this one here. USD card. It's moving too much. So if you go to history, this one is actually a losing trade. So let's just go back quickly. This one is another opportunity, but now the problem is it has moved already, because I actually want to end when it's down here, around here. Most of those trades are winning trades, and this strategy is very accurate. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so this was a loss. So what I do, you see right now, because it was a loss. I'll do a martingale, and for me to be able to do martingale, the price has to go back to the red zone. This is the zone, it's already in the red zone. So what I will just do is just go to the trade. This was what, USD CHF. Okay, I'll put $10 this time, and I'll put a, yeah, I'll place a put. I'll wait for 5 minutes again. But for this time, I think it's actually better if I can pause the video, so that you guys, I can actually show you. I don't want you to wait the whole process when it's happening. I'll just come back when the trade is about to expire, so that you can actually see the results. So this was a losing trade, the first one. All right, so we just put another trade that is going to go down. So I'll also wait. Let's just pause the video a bit. In fact, let me look for other signals. If there's none, I'll pause the video. This is actually promising to be another trade. So if I can get this one, and then I pause the video. Okay, let me just adjust it a bit. USD card, yeah, I can actually trade this one again. USD card. Let's just see again. Yeah, this is a perfect entry, this one. It has to be a winning trade. Okay, so now I have two trades going on. Let me just check the other one, which was also going to. So this one I ended when it's somewhere here, I'm sure. Yes, somewhere there. So I can actually check other possibilities, like the possible trades. Okay, this is one. Okay, I wanted to get into this one here, but for now it's not okay. Normally I put a line. I wanted to touch this line, but okay, this one is moving the opposite direction, meaning it's not a winning trade. This one is a possible trade that is going to come on, but in maybe in about 3 minutes. This is our trade, for the one we're waiting for. One of them should be this one here. All right, as you can see, the price is moving out of the red zone, which means if I happen to lose this trade, I'll have to wait for it again to get into the red zone, so that I can actually put another trade for the martingale. Why is there an error here? I don't know why. Anyway, let's just wait for it. As you can see, guys, this is coming back down. This should be another possible trade here, but it needs time. Yeah, there is this one, odd USD. It's actually a nice trade, this one, old USD. As you can see, it ended somewhere around here. Here I placed a put. All right, so let me just check a few again. So here, if I win this one, the first trade, which I already put a $10 to cover back the loss, was if you go to history, you check here, I only placed one trade, which was a losing trade of $5. So if I win this one, the next one, the one I'm doing right now, this one, it means I won $10. I won $8 actually. So I'll get back $5, the losing $5, and also make a small profit on top. And then there's USD card. I was trading USD card. Let's go to it. The key thing is not to panic. Okay, this one went exactly in the opposite direction, but I still have 1 2 3, I still have 2 minutes. Okay, this is another possible trade, the one I said 3 minutes to come. Now I think I'm left with about 2 minutes to be trading this one. So the good thing about these trades, this is another possible trade here. It touches the red. Let me just show you something, just to touch somewhere here. If it touches there, yeah, it's going in. This was a USD JPY. I'll place a put. Yes, it actually touched, so I'll place a put. So the first one now is left with about 56 seconds. So here I just have to prepare for the next trade. It has to be $10. So if I go to my history again, I won the $10 one, means I got back my loss. So this is just a simple money management strategy where you just get back your losses, and at the end of the day you make profits. So this is USD card, the one which went out of the money. Now if this one expires, I have like 17 seconds. 10 seconds. I'll just check it again. Okay, so it means now, since I lost this one, I'll just still under the red zone, so it means I can place a trade. This way I can just do martingale. I need to put USD card, $10. If I win, this one is just finished, it's out of the money, it's out of the money. But I don't know why today it's like I'm just getting a lot of losses. Because if you check on my previous video, I think I won almost every trade that I was going through. So right now on the history, it's just like done in, done out. So this is like 1 out of 2. But remember, this strategy is so perfect because most of the time you know that you're actually going to win the next trade. That's why I can actually go on and put a $50. This one seems like it's out of the money for now. I still have a minute to go. This is AUD USD. AUD USD.
Unknown computer found.
All right, it's AUD USD. Here it's about just above the line. I don't know why it's out of the money here. Maybe it went back, which means I ended the trade somewhere above, not where I am right now. Which means I ended the trade somewhere here. I ended somewhere here. Okay, now it's 9 seconds left. Where is this trade? Why is it out of the money? Because here it's actually above. Yes, it's in the money. Or it just needed to refresh, because I could see here from the chart that it was above the line. So it means I actually adjusted it when it was correct. It just needed to refresh. So this was a winning trade. What I would do, I'll just put this. This is a winning trade. This is my winning trade. I want somewhere here. So as you can see, guys, this, since it's in the right zone, I can actually just give it, if it touches back this line, I can actually go back and put a pull. Even from here I can actually put a put, but let me just wait for these trades to expire. So again, if you go to the expiry now, you can see there are 2 wins, 2 losses. I'm not hiding any losses here, guys. what I'm just doing here, it's money management, simple money management. So since I lost this one, I put a $10, I won it, means I got to make a profit with the $3. I lost this one, but since I was trading 2 trades, I lost this one, I won this one. I already have like other trades which are going on. They should be able to cover that small gap. So if I win this one with I actually planted a $10 to cover back that loss. So if I win this one, I'll just leave it like that. If I win this one, it's all the same. So let me just check if there are any opportunities around. This is USD GBY. Guys, this is like the real live trading. Yeah, if you can check here. So this was a losing trade, right? Is it the one? It was 1 2 3 4 5. What was it? Was it USD CHF? Okay, this one is just expired now. It's in the money. So if you go to the history now, you can actually see I won 3 out of 2 losses, and this one is still in the money, but it's rushing back. It might go out of money. Let's just keep on checking trades. This is a possible trade here because it's going to the red zone. I'll just put the line. If it touches this line on this candle, I'll enter. This is USD card. It's another possible trade. This one, USD card. Oh, this one might be a winning trade. 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, this was a winning trade. If you check the balance here, it will update $64. So again, USD card, there's a possibility here. There is another possibility here. USD card, I'm actually going to put $5. All right, so since I ended on it somewhere here, so guys, as you can see, this is very simple. Anyone can do this. And again, if you want my signals, you can email me. So what I want to do, whether I lose or I win, at the end of this day, I'm going to upload these videos because I want you to see the real thing, I'm not promising you anything like, oh, this is another possible trade here. Euro GPY. No, it's GPY, GBP. Oh, it was down, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's going down. But I think I rushed it. I should wait for it to come here above. I should have wait where it is, maybe right now. Then I put a put. But anyway, I've already put a put here. I place a put just right here. So again, I'll wait for the this one. I think it's in the money for now. Which trade is this one? Did I trade this one? Okay, yeah, that's the one I said is going down. I like to put arrows so that I don't forget. I can hear my child talking outside. Hello. I think my kid is here outside there. These trades are actually out of the money for now. One is in the money. So again, you can see that I've managed to make a $4 profit here. And whilst I'm waiting for the other expiries, like this $10, I made it from today's trading. So now you can see I have 4 wins, 2 losses. I'm not going to hide anything. Let me just go back here. Let me look for more opportunities, because I want you guys to see that this was another opportunity. I just missed it. This one here, if it goes back above here, as you can see, yeah, there, no, it went down. But this was another opportunity, a good one. It's just that now it's down here. I can't risk like placing a trade when it's already down too much. I wanted it to be somewhere around this line at least. Let me just put it here. If it touches this line, I'm going to take the trade. But even now, I think it's still in the red zone. I could actually try this trade, just experiment now, because I just came across this. Like, I've been doing this. I managed to program and put my settings here. It will actually keep on going down, but I don't like risk. I always try and avoid the risk. You see, it's going down. It's going down. That's why I wanted it. But anyway, I didn't get in time. I missed another trade here. This one, this up here was another possibility. So you have to keep on checking the charts. If you have one single stream, of which right now I'm connected to only one screen so that I can do the recording live. See that trade keeps on going. It won't break above this line. This is another possible trade. What I would do, let me just wait for it. I want it to touch. Let me put a line somewhere here. Oh, this is too close, but it's actually okay. If it touches or crosses this line going down, I'm going to place a call. This is USD CHF. Okay, this one is 11 seconds remaining. 7 seconds actually. It's like the internet, it's not refreshing in time. It's 2 seconds. It's the platform. Okay, now it is finished. If you check the balance, it will update here. Wait for it. It's taking time to update. I think it's my internet connection. It's because of the weather. Anyway, we'll come back and check that. Okay, this has crossed the line, so I'm going to actually put a USD CHF. Now I'll put call. As you can see, the trade is already here. Okay, so if you go to our history now, as you can see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 wins against 2 losses, right? So here I managed to place this trade. It was around here. I actually put a call. So let me just look for more opportunities. This is Euro GPY. Which one am I trading? Okay, another one expired as well. If you check now, the balance is 67, which means I won 1 2 3 4 5 6 out of 8, which is a very good winning rate. So you see this, the one we missed, it's still in the money. This is the one I just took now. This is another one we missed. Is it? Let me check. Let's leave it. I don't remember which one is which one, but anyway, there might be another possibility, a possible trade here. If it touches this line, around this line, I think should be another possible trade. I want it to touch this line. Okay, let's leave that one. Let's check for more. This one is also another possible trade. If it keeps on going and touch, let me reduce this just to come back down a bit. If it touches this line, I can be so sure that it's going to be a winning trade. there's no chance. Here I actually needed a trade to, if it could touch this line, I could end another trade. So this is the one we placed, I think, but so far it's like we are losing. No, it's actually in the money. I think I didn't adjust it properly, because it's actually in the money here. It's okay to end up, because if you can check here, this is my entry price, 569. Now it's on 609, which is in the money, USD CHF. So it means here I think I ended when it was down a bit. Here it means it's still in the money. This one, it could have expired in the money as well, so I could have expired here. Euro, this is a possibility. If you check Euro USD, I'll give it a gauge. It has to come around somewhere here, I think. Yes, once it reaches this red zone here on this line, I'll enter my trade. Okay, this was a winning trade, the one we had here. As you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it was above here. It was a winning trade. So again, I think I can give it a, since it's going down, I'll give it a line. So it has to touch somewhere here, and then we can talk. Oh, this is another possibility here. This was a win. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expires around here. This one I want it to touch exactly just here on the line a bit, and then I place in the opposite direction. So again, guys, as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities. Okay, 35 seconds remaining, and if you can check here, see the movement from down here. It's 570. My entry level was actually here, 569, and right now the current price is 700. Yes, so many pips above. Okay, 14, 13, it's going down, 13 seconds left. So as you can see, it also moved from here to up here, which is a good thing. If you check the distance, so okay, let's continue. Okay, this is another possible trade. If it crosses this line, Euro GPY, Euro GBP. Do I have this currency? And no, it's actually there. Wow, oh, that one is expired. Let's go to history. Oh, it's another winning trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 9. Okay, guys, as you can see, these are the results. I've been trading like for almost the 40 minutes, and this is live trading. If you are interested in the indicators and the signals, my system, you can send me an email, but you have to be prepared to sign up with my broker, the one I will recommend. And then in that case, I can give you the indicators. I only give out the indicators to someone who sign up with me, like through my links. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you are interested in more videos, you can actually subscribe, because I'll be sending more videos, like uploading more videos on my channel. And again, I think I'm in the process of putting the sound alert, so that it can make it easier. So if you want to know when I launch the sound alert, the indicators, you can actually just subscribe. And thank you again, guys.